Komisi Pynbna ke Jingrakhe buram ke jingdap Sunfly Snem ke Jylla Meghalaya hadian Meghalaya ke Jylla Bapura House Snem kat kendai Spanyol puar hak arpoi tri ukula lengkat arja arpusan Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad Kes Sangma ula Pynbna Pajba ba ke Sorkar Jylla kat sesna ya ke Nursing College Jowai bat kan long rukum kawai na kilat jingyarap ya ki nong puli nurse hak katay kathan Habakran, Menteri Rangba ulapan kan ma bakumno ki long shwa ki balaseng nong rem ya ke Jylla, bala ong ru ba uwei po uwei udan la ke benta bantay ya ke Jylla. Kumta, ula kentu bandan ke jing tray lang wala ke dan ke jing soy per bat ki jing ru.
We are a diverse state. Everybody will love their own community, will have feelings for their own people. But we must remember that when this state was formed, it was formed with a unified effort of every single community. Everybody played a role. And today if we forget that, then we are going to be losing the meaning of our statehood, the meaning of Meghalaya. And we will be in a way diluting the vision, the thought process that our leaders had when they had laid the foundation of our state. Let us move together positively. Challenges will be there. Differences will be there. It can only be sorted out by mutually working together. Challenges can be overcome by making sure that we are working hand in hand. I would like to make, apart from the many other development projects that are going on, the nursing college in Jowai again will be of great benefit to especially the youth and the youngsters of the state and particularly of this region of Gentry Hills.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlo ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendan kam daki mar ba madan ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya